Presenting the documentary Zeshtok, Hunting and Prey. Zeshtok, the hungry wanderer, is on a quest for food, perhaps seeking a juicy corn kernel or a fresh lettuce leaf. Here is Zeshtok, deep in the grassland, moving with focus and full speed toward his prey. That turtle is smart. He found the flowers. He wants to eat them. Zeshtok returns home after eating the flowers. Turtle is smart, very smart. Oh my God, I found a big snake. So beautiful. Oh, my turtle hasn't arrived home yet. My Zeshtuk is trying very hard to get home. Oh.